Welcome to the channel. Update your trading game with EdenGate. Let's go. All right, everyone. Today we are looking at an amazing platform right here, and you can earn good stuff for your savings. What are we taking a look at today? It is EdenGate. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. So this is a very nice website. As you can see here, the design's clean. It flows pretty well. Not only that, it looks professional. We can see Binance, Coinbase, Walmart, Tanline, all that. And the layout's quite simple. So you can see the different sections that they have right here for securing your legacy, for retirement, building your financial security, all that. So what is this platform all about, you might ask? It's supporting investors. People who want to invest want to see a good ROI. And they're in 110 countries, 12 years. They have over 72,000 active traders. And that's why I really like this, because it's really easy to just get started investing. But what if you're not, quite ready? Then they have all the things you need right here. So Forex, cryptocurrencies, and indices. And they also have the education here. So with education, they can give you beginners, advanced. They can even give you the videos, the information, everything you need. So whatever account you want to open, whatever, you want to get started with, whether it be Forex, cryptos, or indices, that is all possible. Each account, when you open it up, has tailored services ready to go for you. Benefits: they have tighter spreads, which is excellent. They have ultra fast execution speeds, as we can see here. They have your personalized trading setup. So you want to go conservative, you want to go aggressive, depending on how you want to trade, it's all possible here. And they also offer security and protection. And you can trade currencies, commodities, indices. You can, whatever you want to trade, it's all possible here. We can see this here. The company is all the information, and you can see the documentation on all the various things that you can trade. But if you can think about it, you can trade it. They also have diversification, accessibility for the different traders who are using it. So it's easy to get started. You just sign up, add funds, and then go ahead and start trading. Also, where have they been featured in? Well, if you're familiar with cryptocurrency trading, you can see they got the big name Binance. They also have CMC, which is Coinbase. A lot of the big names are on here, and that's really cool to see that they have that kind of reputation and they have that kind of recognition. In addition to that, they have a KYC, so it makes sure that everything is good and compliant. So people who actually register to the platform have their IDs there, and they have Trustpilot and reviews.io that you can go and see, making sure that they're credible as well. Now, this is good, especially if you're looking for low risk entry level, ways to get in, and you're not looking to, do anything, drastic or super aggressive. And they have some really interesting things right here. So we're going to go ahead and look at their demo trader and see how it works. So that is EdenGate in a nutshell. Let's see how the trading is. We can see right here, EdenGate, we have just logged in, and they have open positions, closed positions, pending positions, and we can set our currencies here. So if you like stocks, crypto, Forex, you can set it right here. You can set the pairs that you want to trade in. You can also add or subtract however much you want. Search by name. Now, right here, you can go ahead and set the buy and sell. You can set the volume right here. Set your stop loss, take profit, and your pending orders. So see which position. You can adjust the buyer's choice. In addition to that, you have the quick trades right here. So you just go ahead and add that with currencies here. Stocks, commodities, industries, Forex, all that type of stuff. And if you need help, you can actually talk to support right here. So that's why I really like this. Very, very simple interface to use. And I can see what's going on, with all of my trades if I want to engage in any. Here, I can switch pairs so I can see how coffee is doing. I can see the candles, the spikes and the dips. I have the open positions, the closed positions, any of my pending positions while I'm trading here. And I can just go ahead and play with this. I'll go to crypto, say I want to trade in ETC. You can also see all the commodities here, gold, corn, all that type of stuff, how that's doing in the market. You can set this all up. This is pretty easy to do. So I have my buy and sell right here. On top of that, I have my wallet, so I can see what's going on in my wallet. Deposit USDT or withdrawal. And how you do that is you just use the contract address here or the bank card. And last but not least, my account. You can switch the different languages, switch to dark theme, which I like to trade with, and go ahead and play with this. I can just go ahead and see charts here. I can go ahead and filter it from specific dates, types, and profits. So that is it in a nutshell. I hope this was helpful to you. Very, very cool interface. If you enjoyed this video and if you enjoyed EdenGate, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell to know when I post more videos. Questions or comments, let me know down below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.